So here you can see my isometric drawing done. I left the plan underneath, and here's all the line work. I'll untape it here right now because the next step we're going to do is render this. And we're going to render it in a monochromatic scheme. Remember exercise 12, I had you do those 3 boxes, right? So here's my drawing. If I lay it down here, right up above the plan, right, there's where it's sat. Right, oops, right there. Right there, now I lift it up and there's my isometric drawing. It's a really neat drawing. Shows all the elements. You can see some things didn't show up right. For instance, I couldn't see this wall here. I can just see the tip of this wall. That wall I see there. That one coming up. I see some of the pool. Then it gets hidden because of the roof. There's the opening in the roof. Then I see the pool's depth there. I see that window for a bit. Then it gets hidden underneath that roof. I do see that window. Looking down, I see the bench. Don't see some of it because it's hidden by the wall. See the ramp, and then I see those stairs. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to render this, and here are the rules for this rendering or coloring, right? We're going to leave all the top surfaces white. Anything that has a top surface, the top of the walls, top of the roof, top of the platform, top of the bench, that sill portion, because it's flat, the top of that sill, this whole platform, including the ramp, we're going to, even though it's sloping, we're going to keep that white. All the tops, all the surfaces, the top surfaces looking down are going to be white. You're going to pick one color. It's monochromatic, right? I'm going to use these two here. I like these two right here. It's a dark red and then a lighter red. So you're going to choose which one you want to be dark or light, whatever color you use. So for instance, all vertical surfaces looking from this side are going to be one color. So this surface, that surface, right? Anything that I'm looking on straight on from the side is going to be one color, and then this side is going to be the other color. So it's either going to be a light or a dark color, right? And I'll render this thing, and I'll show you my example in the next video. But for instance here, all the top surfaces that are looking down, or the flat surfaces, all the flat surfaces are going to be white. You're going to leave those white regardless. Whatever color you choose, that's going to be white. Now for me, I'm going to use that dark red and light red. I think I'm going to use the dark for all these surfaces that are vertical. So that means this whole side of the platform, that vertical, that edge of the wall, that bench popping up, that edge of the roof. Anything that's in this direction, I'm going to paint dark red. Anything in this direction, I'm going to paint the light red. So that would mean that wall, right? This surface of the wall, that surface of the wall, vertical. This little sliver of the ramp, I'm going to paint. Not paint, I'm going to color light red. This whole side of the platform, I'm going to color light red. This whole side of the roof, I'm going to color light red. Same thing in here. That side, I'm going to color light red, but this side of the roof, that opening, I'm going to color dark red. Dark red here. The top's going to be white on that wall. This side is going to be the light red of that wall, vertical piece. Light right there, this surface. The top is going to be white. So again, all top surfaces are white. Anything that's flat. And then you're going to choose which side to be dark, the color you're going to choose. In my case, dark red for all these vertical surfaces looking this way, and then light red for all the vertical surfaces looking from this side. And again, I'm going to render it and then I'll show you mine completed. But there's the isometric drawing. And this will be next to the last exercise, because the last exercise is the chipboard model. All right.